Today we're going to talk about the UK Two New Pence 1971 coin, its value, and the upcoming heritage auction. The UK Two New Pence coin was first minted in 1971 as part of the decimalisation process that saw the old system of pounds, shillings, and pence replaced with the new system of pounds and pence. Now, let's talk about the value of this coin. The value of the Two New Pence coin varies depending on a few factors such as the condition of the coin, its rarity, and historical significance. The most valuable Two New Pence coins are those that are in excellent condition and have been well preserved. These coins can fetch a high price at auctions and are highly sought after by collectors. For instance, the 1971 Two New Pence coin in uncirculated condition can be worth up to £30,000, whereas a circulated coin may only be worth a few pence. Now let's talk about the upcoming heritage auction where a rare Two New Pence coin is going up for auction. The coin in question is a 1971 Two New Pence coin that has been graded by the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation (NGC) as being in mint state 66 condition. This means that the coin is in exceptional condition with no visible wear or damage. This rare coin is expected to fetch a high price at auction due to its rarity and exceptional condition. If you're a collector or just someone who's interested in rare coins, the upcoming heritage auction is definitely worth checking out. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.